Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will share with you abbreviations in sewing and pattern drafting. If you've ever struggled with interpretation of sewing patterns or abbreviations in pattern drafting, sewing measurements, this video is for you. I get a lot of questions from viewers. Please, what is SA, what is CB, what is BP, and the rest. So today I've decided to give the full meaning of some common abbreviation we see in patterns and body measurement. If you're interested in all of this, please come with me and let's get started. The first one I'll be starting with is the center front. The center front is the middle or the straight line down the front of an outfit. So I'll use this pattern as an example. This first line is the chest line and this second line is the bust line. And this is the dart line. The space before the dart line is referred to as the center front, while the space after the dart line, which is referred to as SF, known as the side front. The next one is the CB. CB simply means center back. I'll use this pattern as an example. So let's assume this pattern paper is a back bodice. The center back is the midline at the back of the pattern or the outfit you're trying to make, where we usually attach the zipper, allowance, or the button or any other form of design you want to make. From this midpoint here to this dart is known as the center back, and ZA means zipper allowance, the extra space you leave to attach a zipper. So using this pattern now, I'll use some of the abbreviations we find on this pattern. The CL means chest line. Chest line is the horizontal line underneath the armhole depth. Next one is BL. BL means bust line. You can either call it bust line or bust point. It is the line that passes across the fullest part of the bust and which we use to impute the round bust measurement. You can either call it round bust measurement or bust circumference. While WL means waistline. Waistline is the line that passes across the narrowest part of the body. To get the waistline measurement, you place your tape from your shoulder down to your waist point. The next is FL. FL means full length. This full length can be full length of your skirt, full length of your bodice, full length of trouser, any full length of pattern or outfit you're trying to make. Next one is BL. BL means blouse length. Now for this body, since it's a blouse, most times you will see BL. So on a blouse, you can either see BL or FL. It means the same. The next one here is SA. SA simply means sewing allowance. Sewing allowance is the extra measurement you add to your pattern for extra fabric so that you'll be able to stitch your outfit properly. So as you can see, this is an example of sewing allowance. The first line is the actual measurement, while the extra there is the sewing allowance. Please, if you're enjoying this tutorial so far, drop a heart for me in the comment section. The next one on our list is RS. RS means right side of a fabric. So let's assume this is our fashion fabric we want to use for our sewing. So when they say RS, RS means the right side of this fabric. Next one on our list is the WS. WS means the wrong side. So this is the right side, right? The inside part is known as the wrong side of the fashion fabric. The next one on our list is FF. FF simply means fold fabric. Either see FF or you see a symbol that looks like this. So it means your fabric should be on fold while you're transferring the pattern. When you see FF on a sewing pattern, it simply means that before you transfer that pattern to the fabric, you fold the fabric. Let's assume this is the fashion fabric we want to use for the work. The pattern I'm to transfer on this fabric is showing the symbol or carrying FF. It means I'll fold this fabric before transferring this pattern so that you cut a full equal piece at once. Next one on my list is COF. COF means cut on fold. This tells you the exact point where your fabric should be on fold. The next one on my list is the UB. UB simply means under bust, while UBC simply means under bust circumference. Underbust circumference is the measurement we impute at the underbust line. We usually divide it by 4 before you impute whatever value you have on the underbust line. The next one on my list is the HL, which means the hip line. After that, the next one is WC. WC simply means waist circumference. So that means the round waist line measurement. We also have the HC, which simply means hip circumference. We also have HL. HL simply means hip line. We also have BC. BC means bust circumference. That's a round bust measurement. Another one on my list is the SH. SH simply means shoulder measurement. YDL means that line. YD means yards. That's the quantity of fabric you use. And that will be all for today. If you learned one or two things or you enjoyed this tutorial so far, please don't forget to hit the like button. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Also share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more. See you in my next video.